Today I'm going to do the nail polish video. I'll show you which colors do we have. We have this part coat, so dark, and this is the main color. This is really golden. This is light purple, but this is light pink, and this is sandal pink. So I'll choose this color because that's my favorite color, so sparkly. So I'll show you how to put it. First open it like that. We have a lot of nail polish, but that's okay. We can just paint it like that. Oops, sorry. We can dry it with the dryer machine. And another one. Another one. Another one. So, that's okay. This is just funny, but we can dry it. And this is another one. And we can do it. Or it might dry, so we can't use it. So let's close it up so tight. Okay, now let's dry with the dry machine. I'll show you how to do it. First put your hand here. Press that button. It's drying. I told you. Let's see. Okay, now look at my nail polish, guys. But that's okay when this goes here. But we can. It's okay. So I put the nail polish right here and here. But I cannot. It's all done, girls. It's super dry, but it's not cold, but all done. Thanks for watching this video. Click here, subscribe, and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye. You can buy these .com, but there's no 7 nail polish. Only there's 6 nail polish.